How long was your test?
Showing off their love of science. High school students from across Beaufort County were presenting their scientific findings at the district's regional science fair at May River High School today.
I wanted to quantify the effect of a delay prior to a free recall of a list of words. They ran the words for 1 second each, and I decided to do it because memory is a very important part of school. It affects whether we continue to study and trying to memorize an equation, and whether it affects whether we have a distractor right in between our studying sessions.
How does music affect the spatial temporal abilities, which is your frontal temporal lobe, which spans around your brain, and it basically is just like how like your brain works and like the compassion and emotions. So I tried to see like how like the music would affect like somebody's test scores.
Judges visited each table.
So tell me all about your project.
Talking to students about their projects, many research topics from their personal lives.
It was on how video games can affect your sympathetic nervous system, which is basically a nervous system in your body that when you're under pressure gets you ready to like either fight or fly. A lot of people in high school play video games, and a lot of my family plays video games, and not everyone takes it seriously that it can actually cause problems if you play too much.
I studied the correlation between the weather in Bison, South Dakota, and the amount of ducks harvested at a hunting lease in southeast Arkansas. Because I'm a duck hunter and I like duck hunting, and I go to Arkansas to duck hunt every year.
The winners of this science fair will move on to the International Science Fair held in Phoenix, Arizona in May. Tomorrow, middle school students from across Beaufort County will present their projects at May River High School. Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.